Good morning. It is a quiet start to our day after what was a wild one yesterday morning. We first had the rain and the snow, and then the wind just blasted in. And today we're still seeing a couple of snow showers, but not necessarily the wind anymore. You can see some low-level clouds here in the valley on our Storm Team Skycam network in Fargo, and still a lot of icy roads too. Those residential neighborhoods, the parking lots, those are the biggest trouble areas. So again, be careful today until some chemical can be put down to take care of those, or hopefully as temperatures rise over the next several days, they melt a little bit. We're looking at some light snow though coming down in the northern valley. Thief River Falls back over toward Grand Forks, and east or west from there into Nelson County and down toward Carrington. Some spotty areas of snow showers up in the north. That's mainly where we're seeing it, but there are a couple of snowflakes down by the James River Valley too. And putting this little bout of light snow into motion, you could see it's just kind of working its way from northwest to southeast this morning. So Grand Forks, you're about to see, or already have seen, a couple of flurries, and maybe a few more are going to be moving in here shortly. And then this does extend now back a little bit farther to the east over into eastern Marshall County and Pennington and Red Lake counties. We'll see some of those snow showers there. So this will eventually approach the Fargo-Moorhead area, Lakes Country as well during the morning hours. So don't be surprised if you run into some snowflakes on your windshield as you're driving along today. Hopefully visibility won't be too bad, though there are some places where it's lower. We'll show you that in a moment. Checking out your temperatures. Right now we're at 20 degrees in Fargo, 18 in Grand Forks, 26 in Jamestown. To the east, we're looking at 12 degrees in Bemidji and in Wadena, and 10 right now in Baudette. Our winds are out of the south for some, out of the north for others. It's variable with some light winds here in the valley this morning. We'll expect to have those winds to continue to stay on the lighter side here for today. A look at our visibility. I mentioned it might be down in some places, and it is a little bit lower in places like Roseau and in Baudette. Roseau has our lowest visibility report at 1.5 miles. Baudette is at 3 miles, and over toward Devil's Lake, 7 there and 8 in Carrington. So looking at your wind chills, we're seeing some lower numbers over to the east in the single digits, and the rest of us in the teens to even some 20s here to start off this morning. So definitely want to make sure you bundle up here for today. Your hour-by-hour planner, we've got some snow showers to start off the day, again dropping into parts of the southern valley and out west. We may see a couple more of those flakes through the morning hours, but this should be ending, or at least diminishing, I should say, as we progress through the morning hours. Temperatures into the teens to some 20s as we get into the noon hour, and the wind eventually picks up a little bit. We start to see those wind speeds up to about 20, a gust to 22, 25 miles per hour perhaps for peak winds here for the afternoon, and some clearing happening in eastern North Dakota too. Some spotty areas of clearing in the cloud cover, allowing for some sunshine there. Now around 6 o'clock, more clouds start to push in. We see a few snowflakes once again into the late night hours tonight. Temperatures staying in the teens and some 20s for this evening. Ahead into the overnight hours and tomorrow, expect some temperatures over in the northeast, a little bit colder, where we're still more on the clear side there. Temperatures in the single numbers, and then into places like Jamestown and Lisbon and over toward Ellendale, we're looking at some mid-20s to start the day. Mostly cloudy skies once again. And our next system starts to move in for Friday. The best bet for snow will be in the afternoon and evening hours, but we could see some of those snow showers developing before noon, especially up in northeastern North Dakota. Then that line just kind of works its way southward and sets up and starts to produce some snow showers over to Minnesota in the afternoon hours as well. And that just kind of hangs around, and it's going to make a big difference wherever this sets up, where we see the accumulating snow. Fargo's kind of right on the edge of this particular model run, and then at Grand Forks over toward Bemidji and Wadena, that's an area where we may end up with a little more snow showers, ranging anywhere from about a ½ inch to maybe 2 to 3 inches of snow potentially with that round. Here's a look at your photo today. Really cold looking sunset in the Berner area. Thank you, Renee. And off and on chances for snow continue in the extended planner. That event on Friday night, tomorrow night may linger into Saturday. Sunday does look to be quieter.
Thank you, Lisa.
There's a big fundraiser going on today for local families who are fighting cancer. We'll tell you how you can get involved coming up next.